fist in the air to the fast lane. Yeah, hands up in the air till they gun me down. I keep it 100, they crunching the numbers, I'm looking excited. I just might crash it. Really, I'm passive. Running from the madness. I just need cash me. I just want passion. Law of attraction. Let me live that shit. Really excited. I just might crash it. Really, I'm passive. Running from the madness. I just need cash me. I just want passion. Law of attraction. Let me live that shit. Charge on its last light. Same clothes I'm from last night. Still lit like it's last night. Young living in the fast life. Young. Smoke cloud from the hash pipe. Catch air from the half pipe. I need a centerfold from the shows with the mansion. Chandelier dancing. Counting a Branton. Yeah. Been had hella Franks when it's ballpark figures. Might be in the field, but I came from the trenches. You can tell it's my time. Look at better swing. I do like the charm on my wrist. Let me glitch. Want me pay the way? I'm the wave. I'm authentic. Sitting courtside, got a sprain. Nigga, I bring the gang for the gang. Nothing but a thing when I sing. Young Usain, I sprint it. Getting fresh prints. Counting a blessing on blessing on blessing. They call me the reverend. Y'all nigga play too much. I've been so gone off the prices. I end my hiatus by sparking that flame. Shit, y'all niggas stay in your lane. Young entertain. I'm next to rain. The fuck is you saying? Out of my brain, not from this planet. Hide from the cameras. High up the energy sent to me from the enemy. That's the advantage. By doing the damage, it counted advantage. I buy you my nemesis. This is my genesis. I never had privilege. They took our innocence, but fuck that. I'm young and I'm wild, going ignorant like fun house active.
What's good, people? What's happening? Let me kill this music a little bit. Alright, what's happening? What is going on? Everything's dropping, yeah? Always remember, yeah? When market makers show their hand, that's when you know shit's going to change. Spike down to the low, back up. Why? Yeah? Why is that happening? If it was a nice, slow, progressive move to the downside, they wouldn't waste time doing that. Moving so many orders, hitting liquidation points. Just pay attention to what they've just tapped. They've just tapped the range weekly low. Very important zone. Let's get straight to it. I thought I'd come on now, man, because everyone's just going to be, why wait until tonight? I'm still going to come on tonight as well. All right? But why wait till tonight? This is where the action's happening right now. All right? You can clearly see that they're in the final stages of this move to the downside. We've already had 2 moves to the downside, as in 2 weeks of price dropping on Bitcoin. All right? This is a level 3 extension, guys. Don't be surprised by it. If you notice from last night's stream, we did say that Bitcoin could actually take out this projection zone of the 39,128. She's done just that, but she's come all the way back up. This candle, what does it mean? It's effectively stopping volume. All right? Could they recover this whole wick? Maybe. They can do what they want. Right now, fear is across the fucking board. What a fantastic time to get your longs filled. You know? That's exactly what's happening. We've got New York coming into play. What's going on, people? What is happening? I thought I'd come on, man, just to give you guys a little bit of insight. You know, I'm hoping there's patrons in here, members. Everyone, what's good? Sonny, Critania, what's happening? D-Tex, Carl, Maju, Carl Pietro, how you doing, bro? Standard procedure, bro. You know? Solange, what's happening? To be honest with you, yeah, I mean, the on-the-go updates, yeah, Crypto, he's doing them in the shower. I'm just doing them on my computer, man. That guy, man, he makes me laugh. Fucking love that guy. Is everybody pumped? The market's dropping, but everyone in the TR team is pumped. Why? Because we understand something. Yeah, I'm going to stay on until New York opens. I've got a couple of hours before I need to go and get my daughter. So, well, better time to spend it with you guys. We could go, you know what, there's this thing about, you know, people talking about the Wyckoff method, saying that it's going to go down to 32k. You know what, if it goes down to 32k, let's have a look, let's consider something. 32k, where's that? All right then, so that is below, right here. Let's get that up for you. 32k. Near or thereabouts right there. Okay? We've hit the range daily low, we've hit the range weekly low. New York is yet to open. This spike to the downside and reversing back up. Patrons, if you look back to last week's posts where we talked about advanced strategies, all right, this candle formation, you would have been able to exploit that. All right. It's really for those who really get the strategy and are happy to take, you know, to pay to play kind of thing. If you look down on the smaller time frame, all right, you see that perfect red candle. Why has that candle not been filled? Why have they not closed at the lows? Yeah? Are they looking to reset now and move back to the upside? We've hit the M1 pivot. M1 pivot implies M3 target. All right? Drop down to the 5-minute time frame. How could we have exploited this? Let's have a look. What do you see? 3 vector candles to the downside. Spike the low. Let's drop down to the 1-minute time frame. Let's see them when they're getting where they actually start this shit. Look. There you go. Vectors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Large candles on the 1-minute time frame. Exhausting price to the downside. What do you see on the TDI? Shark fin, man. Look at that shark fin right there. You would have been able to take such a beautiful trade. Patrons, I know you know this strategy right here. You've got it in the posts. Go over it. Come back to this and tell me if it's any different. All right? These are moments that we look forward to. Now, notice, green candles, notable volumes coming in at the 50 EMA, stopping volume on the 1-minute time frame, drop down to the 15-minute time frame, look, recovering the whole fucking candle like no tomorrow, bringing price back into the zone, back into the fray. All right, hit the range weekly low, took out all the liquidity down there and back up because everyone's talking about Bitcoin going lower. What better way to get that price down there, get those orders filled and reverse price back up? It's exactly what they're doing, man. Exactly what they're doing. Look, D&B, this is what you need to understand. Short-term day traders, we don't enter into position and hope that Bitcoin goes to, you know, straight all the way back up to 50, 60K. That'll be nice. But we're about the quick flips. Price coming back to the 50 EMA. Yeah? Look, drop down, drop, reversing back to the 50 EMA. Hit the range daily low. Everybody knows who's been to this stream long enough knows when price hits the range daily low, it always bounces away from it. Look how long it took. It came down to the range daily low, came below it. The average daily range low. So Bitcoin has effectively exceeded its average daily range. All right, for the session. What's its average daily range? Right, here we go. From that high all the way down to that low. Okay, that's 61,000 pips. Let me extend that a bit. Hold on. From the high of the Asian session to the low right now, Bitcoin has traveled 76,898 pips. Its ADR is 43,000, guys. It's near enough double its ADR move. So it's moved 2 cycles to the downside in 1 session. That is an extended move, man. That's market maker behavior right there. Look at the TDI showing divergence. Yeah? Shark fin within the volatility bands. Outside the volatility band, back inside again. Things are starting to change. They're closing at the lows at higher prices. They're closing higher at the lows. That's what I meant to say. Okay? Now, this, guys, I'm coming on the stream right now and just hitting you with the knowledge. Okay? If there are people that don't understand what I'm talking about, no problem there. Go back and watch the previous streams. All right? I just needed to check in and just to keep you guys aware of what's going on. Let's look at XRP quick time. Same story. Look at that beautiful red candle, man. This is what we strive for, man. We strive for these moments. All right? Notable volume coming in at the lows. Taxing out the next projection point. Let's have a look. Where is that? Let me go down to the 1 hour. There you go. Look at that. She came back down to that zone, man. Look at that shit right there. It's like she respects these candles. Look. She's come back into this zone right here. Zoom out. Look at that, man. Look at that for behavior right there. All the way down there. Back into the peak formation. And the peak is still set. XRP is still within its peak formation. We are still fucking with an level 2 zone. Why? Because look what they've done. They've just spiked price to the lows and pulled it straight back. This candle could actually come all the way back down. It wouldn't be uncommon for them. Okay? We've got New York stepping into play. Are they setting up the range for New York? Is there news going to come out about New York that we don't know that's going to trigger some notable interest to come in right now? Why has the UK, or Europe should I say, set up the price like this? Fast move is the false move, guys. We know this. Fast move is the false move. Bartos, you've got the right mindset, my friend. You've got exactly the right mindset. Yeah, surprise stream, guys. Surprise stream. Will Ethereum go up to there? Let's have a look at Ethereum. Same story. She's come back and hit the projection point. All right, from last, I mean, how long ago was this? Look at that. She came back and recovered that whole green candle when Ethereum started its move to the upside. All right. And there you go. Happy days, dropping down. Wow, look at that, man. How much of its ADR has Ethereum taken out? Today's ADR is 1,000. No, sorry. What is it? 4,035. Ethereum's ADR for today is 4,035, but she's actually traveled 10,062. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Well, talk about extended patterns, guys. Market maker behavior stepping right in. Oh, look at that. We are expecting a V shape right here. We're looking for a TDI return back into the zone. So is Ethereum done? Yeah. This spike to the low, man. Something's going to happen in New York. Something interesting is going to happen. Bigger pattern, bigger move. Yeah. This is what we are here for. Okay? This is what we are here for. Is this the start of what we would like it to be as the true W formation? Because it's appearing all below the moving averages. Let's zoom in and have a look. Man, I need to tidy up my charts. I saw a comment on one of my charts, on one of my channels, man. And the guy was like, your charts are nasty. And you know what? I somehow agree with him. But we all understand what's going on with these charts. You know, I put these points in play so people understand, you know, they make reference to these points. So, you know, it can be chaotic, but fuck me, Einstein's writing was a bag of shit and look what he was, you know? So let's see if this first leg of a W formation, what's the criteria of a W formation? Vectors 1, 2, and 3, but look at the candles themselves. They're not finishing at the lows. It's like they're tapping the liquidity and pulling back. It's like they favor higher prices. Right now, across the board, people are concerned. People are making a run for cover. All right? And granted, if this zone doesn't hold out, then you know for a fact that this is motivated by market makers getting price lower. They favor lower prices. We know that they're buying longs at the lowest possible price for a massive move to the upside. This is what we're expecting. All right. New projection zones are coming into play right now. Why can't you profit from these projection zones? Who cares about what happened up here? When price gets towards this area, we will have a look and understand why price will get there when it gets close towards it. But right now, we've got new projection points on Ethereum. If price stabilizes, it's so extended. Look at its ADR between the ranges. Look how small that range is. And it's now behaving all the way down here. It's staying within the pivot points. But boy, price is wild right now. The importance of the daily open is, yes, the daily open is unbelievable. Okay. The daily open acts as a support and resistance point. So there's two support and resistance points that I will always pay attention to. That's the psychological high and the psychological low and the daily open. All right. Consider this. This blue line here is the daily open. It opens there, pulls back, comes back down. What did I say to you last night? That they would always try and come back and test the daily open. And that's exactly what Ethereum did. Came back, spiked towards it. The confluence of the daily open acting as resistance and the 50 EMA, bang, she drops. All right? She drops all the way down. Okay? Look at Bitcoin's daily open. Where's she at? Right there. Same story. Okay? Comes up to it, tests it, pulls back. Comes back to it one more time, induces the retail trader to believe that Bitcoin's going to continue higher. Look at the notable volume candle. Patrons, you know this. Price comes up, doesn't close above the 50 EMA on this green candle. That's a stop hunt rise, drop. How many times have we seen this? Go back to last week's streams. You see the same shit happening over and over again. All right? They can't hide their intentions because all they know is to induce liquidity at certain points in the chart because everyone is looking at that chart at that point in time. So they can't deviate away from what works. All right. We just don't know when it will. That's the thing. We won't know when it works, but we know it works. Our goal is to try and pinpoint the times that they do reveal their hand. Can't hear any audio on YouTube. Bro, you must be able to hear. Can you guys hear me? Now, morning streams aren't back, Mr. Dub. I just thought I'd do this, take this opportunity to go live right now because I just wanted to focus on what's going on here. Yep, wicked. Everyone can hear me. Happy days. Got my coffee. I'm ready. During the day, we drink coffee. During the evening, we drink tea. What's good? All right, then. Where are we at? Okay, cool. Okay. Right. XRP, I need to have a look at XRP. Wow. Beautiful price action. But notice that it comes back into the fray. It's back in the zones, man. It doesn't go anywhere. We see this wild behavior and then it snaps all the way back. Putting a load of shorts and still make up the difference in my portfolio dropping. JB, that's all good, man. Sorry, the Sosa Sound Productions. How you doing, man? My wife had asked me, I want a coffee. Yeah, obviously. Good, man. Another thing. For my guys in Forex, check this. Gold hits the projection from yesterday's stream. Okay? Comes down and tests this zone, hits the psychological high, bounces away from it, stop punt rise, hits the 50, rejects it. Now she's going to look to continue down. Dollar yen, look where she is. I've got a couple of positions in dollar yen, up 42 pips. Took the trade off price, testing the 800 EMA, price rising up, happy days. Okay? Just waiting for price to now turn. Dollar yen comes back and recovers all these candles. He hits the 800 EMA, notable volume at the lows. Green candle shift, a little W formation right there if you can see. And we've also got, there you go, divergence at the lows. Small W formation, up she goes, outside the volatility band. We're rising with dollar yen. Gold is going to drop. Gold is going to drop. It's like risk is back on momentarily. D&B, I would recommend you start with It's All in the Mind. Let's get your mind right so you can anticipate these wild movement behaviors. Okay, so you've got the mindset ready for it. My voice is like a bong hit. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, I do vape as well. That's one of them. The future of Ethereum. Doesn't matter what Ethereum's future will be. As long as Ethereum can be traded, we're going to be there to trade it. We don't care if Ethereum is $1, $2, $3, or 10,000. We're going to be there to trade it. Why? Because market makers will always be there to provide liquidity for the people that are optimistic about Ethereum going up and Ethereum going down. We don't care about the price. We care about what it's doing. That's all we care about. We only have interest in what it's doing right now. They're spiking the lows, trying to induce traders to go lower. We said in the projections channel this morning and for the Patreons today, we were talking about understanding what was going on in this area here. Okay, we are in an extension level 3 to the downside. All right, level 3 extension. It's just dropping. It's hitting the range daily low. When price does this wild behavior, things are gonna change. Something's gonna change. New York is gonna be very interesting. But you know what's fucked up as well? New York can do nothing. We always have to accept that. As much as we favor this strategy and we always expect the reversal to come into play, New York can do nothing if it wants to. All right? You can see that gold is starting to pull back. All right? Dollar yen is starting to move up. All right? Is risk back on? Let's see. Let us see. Litecoin, what's she doing? Oh, look at Litecoin. Oh, wow. Hits the 2 projection points. Let's zoom out and see where those points were. There you go. Right back down here. To the T. Look at that. Look at these 3 points here, guys. She hit the first one, hit the second one. Happy days. There is a clear reset. They've recovered the whole move. And what was really interesting is whilst I was waiting for Ethereum to drop, all right, everyone was like, it ain't going to fucking drop. It ain't going to drop. You know, fuck the system. We're going long, baby. We're getting paid. Well, we knew for a fact that we can maximize profit on the move to the upside and the downside. Look, price rises. They're getting their shorts filled at the highest possible price. Everyone's buying. Market makers are dumping their shorts. And then here you go. It comes all the way down. As it approaches towards the end of the actual cycle, it gets busy. All right? Exactly what's happened here. Look at Bitcoin. The same story with Ethereum, sorry. Let's zoom back out. Look, they're just aiming for the lows. Let's zoom out again. Where is Ethereum? Look at that move, man. Just come all the way back down here. It could have been a nice, slow, progressive move, but no, they got busy. Why? Because New York's coming into play. Maybe something new is going to be released. Some information might come out, which is going to trigger something. We've been hitting these projections left, right, and center. Why? Because we understand what's going on. Can you maximize profit on here? Of course you can. It's all down to whether you pay to play based on your understanding and what you're happy to do with your investments. It's all on you. Responsibility is on you. I will give you the mental framework, but that is it. No entries or exits from me. I'm going to help you understand the strategy. This is what it is. They can't scare liquidity away. Mr. Enthusiast, the reason why they can't scare liquidity away because people are trying to get rid of their coin. They're trying to sell. They're trying to put it somewhere. So in order for them to sell, they need to be there to buy it. All right? In order for price to drop, the market maker needs to fulfill the obligation of those who are trying to get rid of their positions. And believe it or not, 9 times out of 10, when everyone is getting rid of everything, that's when the turn happens because the market maker has absorbed enough of the liquidity to reverse price in his favor. Right now, it's a case of getting people to get rid of their long orders, protect themselves, and then effectively send price into an area where it could induce them to go short. At that point, that's when he decides to change the direction. It's a messed up game, guys. I know, it's bad, but that's the way, that is exactly how it works. You're not playing with theory here. You are dealing with real-time human emotions. Okay, there are algorithms at play that are designed to understand human behavior. When I say human behavior, fulfillment of people's orders coming in and out. That's all it is. That is all it is, man. Had the conversation with Mike Dutcher on the streams about can you put an algorithm on human psychology? Now, in various aspects, maybe. In other aspects of life, in different scenarios, but in trading, man, how do you factor in, you know, an evolving thing? How do you factor in uncertainty into an algorithm? All right, it's a different thing. It's like you can't put an algorithm on experience. Dan Pena said it, you know. Matt, what I'm suggesting is market makers are sending price down lower. There's fear across the board. Go into another stream right now and just have a look at the chat and see what people are saying. All right. All you're going to see is Bitcoin 20K, Bitcoin 19K, Bitcoin 2, Bitcoin 3. All right. The fear is going across the board. Yeah. It's going across the board. At what point will the market maker decide to turn? We can only know from the behavior of the candles. Look at how it's playing out. New York is due to open. You've got Walmart with speculation that they've obtained Bitcoin in their portfolio. Who knows what else could be released when New York opens? All right. It's like Asia. Look at the Asian session for the past 3 days. The Asian session has been stagnated in this zone. Okay. They're accumulating. All right. We were waiting for a W formation. It didn't play. It's an level 3 extension to the downside. And right now, it's free-for-all. Okay? We are waiting to see what Ethereum's going to do in this zone. We are waiting to see what Bitcoin's going to do in this zone. Okay? Moving averages are fanned out. And you know what, guys? We also have to consider the following as well. They could do whatever they like. It can continue to drop even further. The lower it drops, the bigger the retrace back up. Okay, they need to bring it back into the fray. Look at the moving averages on the 15-minute time frame. They are near enough vertical. They need to bring price back into the fray, because if they don't, they will collapse the whole market and it will get fucked, and then they will be setting themselves up for failure, because if they send price down that far, they are effectively having to fulfill that obligation of orders to the downside, because they will be overwhelmed with liquidity that they have nothing else but to fulfill that requirement. And that means the market maker will be in the red. And he ain't in this game to be in the red. New York opens in 20 minutes. Half an hour later, you have the futures markets open. What are they going to do? Are they going to withdraw the liquidity from Bitcoin and Bitcoin and Ethereum in lights of the futures market, send it over to gold? Yeah? Are they going to put it all into dollar yen? What's going to happen? It's right now it's stagnated. We're holding the zone. Guys are getting ready, getting prepared for the new hour. We've got 15 minutes until the next hour happens. All right? Go and get yourselves your coffees. Go and get yourselves hydrated, because you're probably going to be sat with your mouths wide open with what's going on. Just look. Look at XRP. It's been zoning out, and then this wild, fast, false move to the downside. Yeah? That's not a normal move, guys. That's not a controlled move. That is a manipulative move, spiking the liquidity, hitting the pools of liquidity to the downside, taking out people's liquidation points, doing it across the board, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. Fuck, you know. Will the stop hunts only show on the 15-minute time frame? No. So they can show stop hunts effectively. Right. Stop hunts work on... Right, let me show you something. Let me show you something. Right, where is it? Is that it? Okay, here we go. On this chart right now, this is where the stop hunt zones are for dollar yen. Okay? See what I mean? Why Forex always ends up being the dominant place for me to trade. I'm always going to have time for Forex. Okay? This is the stop hunt zones. All right? Notice how they are usually from the center of this stop hunt zone. Okay? It's usually 25 to 50 pip distance. You see that? Between those zones. All right? Now, whenever price comes towards these zones, okay, we understand it to be a stop hunt. Okay? So look at this. Look at this in this instance here. New York session. Okay? Stop hunt rise. And then it starts to drop. They're hitting the stops in this area. Okay? Same again down here. Look. It comes into the session. Drops. Hits the stop hunt area. Reverses back up. Keep looking. No liquidity. No movement. No movement. Comes up towards the stops. Comes back down. Okay? Here we go. Stop hunt rise. Bang. Out of the zone. Up it goes. Reverses back down. Yeah? This is on dollar yen. I'm going to try and get it so that it works on Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right, this is a different chart. This is a nice clean chart that I like to use. All right, I always like these charts. I'm just able to really break down the patterns and the W's. You know, it's nice and clear. This is how I normally break down the charts, and then I come over to the live stream charts, and then it does look chaotic, but, you know, it's good to start like this. You know? Love these sort of charts. Nice, clean charts. You can just trade off the 5 to 50, the 25. Sorry, that's the 25. All right? Sorry, that's the 50. What the fuck is that doing? That's the 100. Why is that on there? My days. Why is the 100 on there? Let me get that sorted out. Where are you? Candles, trends. There we go. Ah, shit. It's done it differently. Hold on. Oh, God. What am I doing? There we go. That's better. No, it's not. Oh, you know what? Fuck this. I'm not going to bother with that chart. Jesus Christ. That stressed me out. All right, let me go back to this chart here. Okay. So, look. Range weekly low. They've come back and recovered the whole candle. Come back and check the whole. Look at that. It's very busy, man. New 15-minute candle in 2 minutes' time. Not on this chart. On this time frame here, it's 6 minutes. Big was down. The liquidation of stop seems to be liquidation. So I noticed they may snap down hard when they pass previous lows. Yep, potentially. Look how aggressive it is, man. XRP, God, going down. Something's happening, man. Something is being leaked, or some news is due, or they're just trying to get price down lower. Is that effectively a railroad tracks? Maybe. Let's see how it plays out. 1 hour time frame. I've seen vector candles yet. No vector candle yet. On the 1 hour time frame, no vector candle to the downside. No vector candle yet. Give me 1 hour time frame. No vector candles yet. Come on. What is going on? No vectors yet. Ethereum, where's she at? No vectors. Let me see something. There you go. It's still inside the volatility band, man. Still inside. That means it's not much of a strong move to the downside. It looks like a strong move, but until it breaks down and turns red, the next candle at the start of the new hour should retrace it back up. Look how they've recovered that wick, man. Fuck. CNBC just put out institutions are selling Bitcoin according to JP Morgan. Nah, I don't believe they're selling it, man. They're buying it up. They're buying it back up. Going back into gold. Nah, I don't believe that. Fake news. Fake news. Crypto mining bans. Wow. Remember, they use news to move price. Look, come back down, spike in the lows. Let's see how New York responds. All the news is fake. Sell now, sell to a whale. You do. You do you. This is it. They do like to play with people. But remember, you're coming into their playground. You've come to play with them. Nah, I'm not saying the market's crashing, man. The market is not crashing at all. Let's go to the... Look at that. In 20 minutes time, there's going to be a new 4-hour candle. Do you understand that? A new 4-hour candle is going to get printed in 20 minutes time. It's very important. All right? And look. It doesn't look like it wants to go down low. It's hit the range weekly low. New 4-hour candle due to start. Every time this candle appears on the 4-hour, you can see big red spike to the downside, reverses back up. Let's see how this plays out. Very important. 20 minutes. Dollar yen, where's she at? Dollar yen is pulling back. Gold starting to rise up. Let's see how New York responds to this. It just smells of control. I can see control right here. People are shit scared across the board. See, this is why I say it's fake news. Okay? Whales are getting rid of their positions. Do we know for a fact that everyone's getting rid of their positions? Do we know that for sure? How do we know they are? We know that when price is dropping, it becomes cheaper. You think the whales are going to get rid of their positions when price is dropping? Don't be silly. They're going to get rid of it as price is rising. That's how they would do it. You know? Retailers do get rid of their positions as price is dropping, but if institutions are going to get rid of their positions whilst it's dropping, all right, they would have been getting rid of them a long time ago. They would have been getting rid of them all the way up here whilst it's starting to drop. Because if they were to get rid of their positions right now, the market would completely collapse. It would drop so bad. You know? It would literally fuck the market completely. So there are sinister things happening behind the scenes, guys. Why is it stalling now? News motivated. Ooh, there you go. Oof. Man, this is brutal. 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 32k may come into play. Where's 32k on the 4-hourly? Let's see. Look at the red candle right there, man. It's going to be a sharp move. Let's see. Back into this zone, man. The last time. It's an area of accumulation. So it's not going anywhere that it hasn't been before. It's not going anywhere it hasn't been before. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that. Fuck. Oh, man. The snapback is going to be very interesting. Remember, always towards the last 15 minutes. Look, the RSI is not really doing much. Okay, on the 4-hourly divergence. Yeah? They always get busy towards the last few minutes of the hour. This is what's happening right now. Look, we're in free zone right now. Completely free zone. Bitcoin on the 1-hour time frame. What do we do? I mean, the thing is, right, if you're going to try and catch a short right now, you're going to get burnt because you've missed the move. Wait for confirmation, D. Wait for your confirmation. This is the beautiful thing. Okay? Beautiful thing about this is you're going to wait for confirmation. We understand what can happen. All right? The next hour candle is going to be critical. I'm telling you now. Yes, Crypto Keeper, there are. If you see vector candles on the 4 hourly, oh boy, you know what they're going to be doing. Yeah, they're going to look to try and come back. Look at stopping volume vector candle up there, drop. Vector candle right there, reverses back up. Now, of course, you can see we've got various points in the chart that they can actually come back to. So we've seen these projection points. We've seen these W's that haven't played out to our favor. Let's get rid of them. Let's get rid of this. We are now experiencing a complete reset across the board. Now all we need to do is label out all of the peak formation, the liquidity pools. Let's draw it down again. There's your pattern right there, guys. There's your pattern. Let me get rid of this. You keep doing what you're doing, Bitcoin. We know what's going to happen next. New York's going to come into play and they're going to mean business. Let's get rid of all of this stuff here. So here are the liquidity pools right here. This is obviously on the 4 hour. If we drop down to the hour time frame, we can see the following. There we go. Liquidity pool right there. I've got a liquidity pool right here. Now all we need to do is just get ready to anticipate price coming back into these zones. Here we go. It's not closing at the lows. This is very interesting. It is. They are timing it for New York. Look at how it's coming back now. They are timing it for New York. Remember, guys, this system itself, the hybrid system, okay, it's about how we learn in real time and how we apply it, okay? This is where the learning comes in with this strategy. It's these moments that are going to determine whether you get this system or not. And you have to be okay with things not playing out. It's not 100%, guys. Never claimed it to be 100%. There are players that come into this game, use this system, that do have very good success rates, okay? But nothing is 100%. Right now, cryptocurrency is emotionally driven. Look at what's happening across the board. All right? So we just need to wait. As short-term day traders, we don't get caught up in this fuckery of price. Granted, if you took a short, you're laughing. But get ready for the reversal. It's Wednesday today. Look at the way they're behaving. Look at how it's spiking low and coming straight back up. Let's look at the spread. Look. Here we go. Look at that behavior, man. Where is it? XRP right there. Let me get Bitcoin up. Quick time, where you at? Come on, Bitcoin, where are you? Here we go. Tick chart. Just look at this. Look at that spike right there. Look at that, man. Look at that. It's crazy behavior. Look at them just spiking orders up, down, up, down. We don't want to see this behavior because we know that's market makers just spiking liquidity pools. You want to see this behavior, this nice trickling up and down, slowly moving. That's what you want to see. Tradable movements. All right. I'm going to move this across the chart so we can pay attention to it. Look at that. Look at that spike in price, man. Ah, look at the spread. Look what they're doing. Wow. Do you see? Bang, straight down. Filling the orders, coming back. They are manipulating this across the board, guys. Yeah, you know you heard that vape, bro. Wow, look at this. Look how it just goes down and takes it out. 32 in sight. 32 in sight. This is news driven, man. Look at how they're just using the news to just spike price. Come on, New York. 7 minutes. Or 11 on this platform. Oh, wow. Gold, where you at? Gold's going up. Dollar yen, where's she going? Shit. Cancel that stop. XRP. Whoa, down to 0.91. That is crazy. Look at that. The reversal's going to be nuts. I'm telling you now, the reversal's going to be real. Look at Litecoin. Oh my days. This was bound to happen, guys. Let's zoom out a bit. Coming back into normalized zones. Look how cheap it is now for Litecoin. Shit. Ethereum, where's she at? She's come down to hit these points. My days, look at these points that she's hitting. Free for all. New hour candle shortly. Oh my God. Someone's going to say something. Feel that fear? We are alive. Alex said the right thing. We are alive. This is a fast move, false move, guys. This is a fast move, false move. Look at how everything is adding up. Okay, we've got a new 4-hour candle happening shortly. Price is spiking up and down. Everything is fearful across the board. Okay, everything now has become very cheap across the board. Okay, the next candle or the open of New York is going to determine what happens next. All right, it's gonna this is a huge drop, absolutely huge drop. You know, we are alive. This, I love that, Alex. I love that. Just look at the ADR for the day. They've completely just done everything against what they normally do. It's just a fast move, false move, man. It's crazy. I'm waiting for the 4-hour candle to start. 9 more minutes until that happens, guys. Remember, on this platform, it's 5-minute delay. There's a 3 to 5 minute delay on here. So the next candle that appears on here, you might see it first on TradingView. Okay? But look at that. Look at these spikes, man. People are going to step in. I'm telling you now, they're stepping in. Look at what it's doing. You don't... Last night, remember when I was saying to you guys, look at how price is up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? That's exactly what's happening now. Orders are being filled. They're just spiking it, man. This is why, as a day trader myself, I don't get caught up in this chaos. I'm just getting ready, sat there like a hawk, getting ready to get the kill shot in. I'm waiting and I'm waiting. I need confirmation. Right now, it's just chaotic. We need to wait for New York to absorb what has happened. They've come back to all the green candles, you know? Oh, no. Stephen, people are stepping in now. Remember, when prices drop in, the only way people can sell is if someone's there to buy. This can only happen if people are selling, because no one sells. How do you think they get price down lower? You know? New York should be happening right now. Well, in the next 3 minutes. To us in real time, in the next 3 minutes, New York will be opening. Okay? For this platform right now is another 7 minutes. Okay? Which tells me I'm going to go and do this. Right, hold on. Let me get this up for you guys. Okay, trading view. Wow. Wow. Here we go. All right then. Check this. Now we've got the candles up. We've got the charts up here. Look at that. I'm going to go to the 4-hour candle on Ethereum. Let's see if they print a red candle there. No red candle. Ethereum USDT is at the 800 EMA. The 800 is up here. Okay. On the 4-hour. It's at the 800 EMA. Ethereum is at the 800 EMA. Spiked it and come back up. It's the first time it's hit the 800 EMA. All right. First time it's hit the 800 EMA. Ah, man. This retrace is going to be beautiful. Okay, I need to go back to MT4. Look. Let me get rid of all these things here. Just taking out all these zones. Crazy lines, man. Let me get rid of some of them. Took out the 3,000. Took out the 2,481. 1973. Look at that behavior right there. This is going to be a beautiful W at the moving averages. Man, I'm excited, man. Boy. There's nothing for us to get into right now. Do you understand? All right. I will never shill any coin either. I did that once and everybody made 156%. That is it. I'll never do that again. What I'm talking, the best way for you guys to learn this shit, okay, is in real time. We ain't going to fuck with hindsight. All right. There's no point in me saying, hey guys, look, it went up and it came back down, but look, it went back up straight after. How great is this strategy? We learn right now when it's moving because we can get feedback from this information. Okay? We get feedback. Come on, 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. I'm just looking on TradingView and 1 more minute until the next hour. 1 minute till New York, 5 minutes on this platform. Actually, if I drop down to a lower time frame, hold on a second. Here you go, New York. Brinks box has just started. Brinks box has just started. Here we go. Here we go. Let's get ready. Hold on, hold on. New hour candle. 1 hour time frame. Ethereum right there. Let's get busy. Bitcoin. Same story. Oh man, this is crazy. What a time. What a time. I wasn't even going to go live, you know, man. I wasn't going to go live. I was just going to do a little update for the patrons just to let them know, you know, what to be aware of. But I needed to come on, man. I needed to get this online just to help as many people as possible. Anybody that's new to the channel, welcome to the chaos of the marketplace. Welcome to uncertainty. Welcome to Trader's Reality. Mad respect to anyone that's passing through. When will it end? We'll know shortly. When New York wakes up and absorbs what's just happened. Happy birthday. Is it your birthday today, Critania? If it's your birthday, Critania, guys, wish happy birthday to Critania. Show some love. We've got to have happiness in the chaos, because if we don't, we'll be damn right depressive if we do. You know? Happy birthday, Critania. Mad love. There you go, Critania. Love from the family. Here we go. 3 minutes. 3 minutes until the new 4-hour candle. All right, there's a new hour that's been printed, but it's not printed on this platform. Looking on Ethereum, even on Ethereum on TradingView, it hasn't printed a new 4-hour candle. Ah, different brokers, different servers. Okay. Still hasn't printed it. Okay, so on the hourly it has, but on the 4-hourly it hasn't. Okay, cool. Let's see what happens. This is the Brinks box. Trillion gone from the whole market. Minutes have to be incorporated. Possibly Elon and Tesla. Interestingly, Matic hasn't dropped. There's always going to be those coins that don't drop. Brinks box trade, Sebastian. You know what it is, bro. Oh, here it is. Look at that. Look at this behavior, man. Shit, New York's waking up. Oh my days, this is chaotic, man. Let me just try and maximize my screens. There's Ethereum. Here's Bitcoin. Let me zoom in on the hourly. Reason why I'm looking on the hourly, because I'm waiting for a new candle to appear. Here we go. This Brinks box will go in a minute. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let me drop to the 15-minute time frame. Here we go. Ooh, come on. They'll hit the 32. They want to hit 32 if they've already... Yes, they've already hit 32. 32.18. Come on, Brinks. Where you at? 1 more minute until the next 4-hour candle. 1 more minute. This is where it gets busy. Coinbase Pro is down. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. The fear is very real, but this is opportunity, man. This is opportunity. Hope you got your birthday wishes, Critania. Mad love to you. Okay, then. See, Ethereum on the 4-hourly is operating at the 800 EMA. That's where she is right now. So I wouldn't say it's a crash. It's just they're moving to a previous point that they've seen before. Bitcoin, on the other hand, boy. Come on. 1 more minute until the new 4-hour candle comes into play. This is very important. They should spike it down lower. There you go. Look at Bitcoin, man. Look at that. Oh, shit. I love this behavior. It's because you know what's going on. That's the thing. This isn't surprising. You just know what's going on. You can see market makers' footprint right there. They're just spiking the lows. They're just trying to get orders filled. That's why you see the big gaps in price moving up and down, up and down. Big orders are coming in right now. Why is Ethereum stalled? Why has Ethereum stalled? Here we go. Dollar yen dumping. Is dollar yen dumping? Dollar yen's dropped. Wicked. Gold spiking up. Uh-oh. They're scared across the... Actually, hold on. Hold on. Stop hunt rise. Stop hunt rise. Drop. Notice how they've done vector candles coming in at the highs, but not really going anywhere. If this is a stop hunt rise, gold should be dropping. Dollar yen is setting up a fake move back down to the 800 EMA. Vector candles right there. Let's see how it plays. Gold still there. Okay. XRP. Oh, XRP looks like it's coming up. The new 4-hour candle has been printed. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Where's Ethereum? Where's Ethereum? Give me Ethereum. There you go. There's your new 4-hour candle. Now, this is where it gets interesting, guys. It's either going to continue down or they're going to come back up. It might spike down a little bit. Let me get rid of these little... Let me get rid of these right here. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. Here we go. 800 EMA being tested on Ethereum right now. Very important zone. Oh, man, it's chaos across the board. Binance has blocked deposits. Blatant market, mate. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Fuck. Oh, my days. Look at that. That is big. That's a Brinks box move, man. New York reversal, bro. Come on. Where you at? Look at Ethereum, how it's just stalling now. Yeah? Where is the interest? XRP stalling. Litecoin. Oh, is she on the way back up? Hold on. Is Litecoin on the way? There you go. Look at Litecoin. Look at Litecoin. Remember, what do we know about Litecoin? Litecoin moves before Ethereum does. Ah, come on, New York. Serve us proud. Do us justice. Let it all come into play. XRP coming back up. Where's Ethereum? Where's Ethereum? Still holding. I think XRP and Litecoin will move. Oh, look at that. Look at that move, man. Ah, are they finished? Are they fucking finished? Are they finished? That is nuts. I think Chinese government is forcing institutions to sell their shares. This is 100% institutional money leaving. Right. Well, this is what we're going to try and see. If the news is what it is, okay, people are just going to go chaotic across the board. All right. Let's see. Let's see if they are just doing this to just get it cheaper. Oh, no. Elon's fault. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. They mean business. Yo, bang out the zone. You just speak to New York. All right, cool, man. You spoke to New York. Let's have a look at what they've responded to. Oh, vector candle there. Stopping volume for gold up here. Very interesting. They're going to move the money from dollar yen back into gold or vice versa. Let's see. There you go. Dollar yen coming back down into the range. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Litecoin. Oh, snapped up, come back down. Now it starts to slow down. All right, this is where it gets interesting when they slow shit down. Look at Bitcoin, man. Taking a hammering. Expecting a New York reversal, man. Or alternatively, guys, they could just collapse the whole fucking board. All right, as much as we want the reversal to happen, when they're finished, they'll be finished. Here we go. So people are having problems across the board, yeah? Gold just broke 1870. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's tapped 1870. No problem there. Ethereum is holding that zone. It's holding it. Why are they holding it? They're moving. Bitcoin's the only one that's moving. Bitcoin is bleeding. Vector candles to the downside. Look at the range that it's recovering, man. Look at that. It's just dropping. 29. Boy. I stand to be corrected. News motivated, man. They are doing this on purpose. Wow. Look at that, guys. Look at that shit right there. The retrace is going to be very serious. Slow trend is the true trend. This is a fast move, false move. God, time to get your coin cheap. Talk about cheap, man. Can't access accounts. Jesus, can't buy on Coinbase. Oh my days. That is bad news for people, man, if they can't buy on Coinbase or even sell. Jesus, that is nuts. Crazy games, man. Look at this. Oh my God. This is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Wow. Across the whole board. No way. Everything has tanked. That is nuts. Here we go. Bitcoin looking potentially to recover a little bit. Hit the 30k. Boy. Whoa. That is nuts. What a day. What an absolute day across the board. Holy shit. What a time to be alive. Look at these spikes, man. It's just being manipulated so badly. But this is opportunity, guys. Remember, now it's this. They'll accept this news, okay, and then they'll move. But the thing is, Bitcoin has only gone to previous zones that it's been to before. The last time we were at 30k, everyone was buzzing. You know, last time Ethereum was at 1,900, they were buzzing. Yeah. Across the whole board, man. That is crazy shit. Whoa. 39%, 53%, 27% down. Shit, it is. Boy. Finance won't let you withdraw. I don't understand why they're not letting people buy and sell. Because they know that they can get in cheap. Fast move, false move. Even crypto.com is down. Not allowing people, eh? Everyone's making a run for money, man. Boy. Just when everyone's getting rid of their shit, they're going to just reverse it back up. Wow. My days. My days. Let's be happy about being wrecked. Oh my God. Come on, look at what's going on here. Let's see. My goodness. What a chaotic day. The retrace will be very interesting. Here we go. Starting to normalize. My goodness. This is fun. People are loving this. Coinbase Pro is now open. Fair enough. Boy. Yeah, they're struggling across the board, man. What is going on here? Wow. Here we go. Come on, Bitcoin. What are you going to do? When's it going to switch? When is it going to switch? See, you can't get no quotes. Trying to get quotes on Binance and it ain't happening. People are making a run. Here we go. There we go. Happy days. Absolute happy days right there. Done. All right then. Come on, Bitcoin. People, guys, don't. It's on sale. Shit. I'm going to head to the pub. So at some point we'll come back to the 50. Most likely. Look. The moves have now calmed down. Okay? Everyone has responded to what's going on here. All right? New York's going to step in. Once the Brinks box is over, New York's going to step in. We've got the futures markets. All right? In 10 minutes time. All right? So we just need to sit and wait. Crypto.com is down. I'm not able to access my crypto.com. Fear is being spread across the board. Joan, man, what's good? Who said Bitcoin 100k by summer? What did Crypto say? Here we go. Here's your vector. Here's your vector. Come on. Come on. This is what we're waiting for. We are waiting for the retrace. How does this happen overnight? Welcome to the hardest, easiest way to make money. All right? This is what's happening. Listen, guys. All right? The market makers can be as irrational for as long as they want. We can't, but they can. All right? Happy losing days, dude. Here we go. Here's the recovery. Is this the recovery right here? Ethereum 4 hour. No financial advice here, guys. You know, please be responsible with your trading. You can see we're trading in mad, chaotic zones. All right? Don't get caught up. We are applying the theory that we understand, the hybrid system. Look at the retrace of the candle right now. Bitcoin coming back up. Have they absorbed the liquidities? New York stepping in. Listen, guys, don't ask if you should buy, if you should buy, if you should buy. All right? Don't worry, there will be opportunities yet again. All right? Should I buy food? 3.3 billion liquidated. Oh, boy, Kraken is down. Here we go. There's a green vector on Bitcoin. There she is. The moment you've all been waiting for. Oh, shit. Come on. Welcome to... Look at that, man. Look at that pin to the fucking low. So, $1 trillion comes out of the market. $1 trillion goes back in. No loyalty in trading. All right? There's no loyalty. Look at this nice. Come on. Where's the 4 hour? Happy days. Come on. At the 800 EMA. What do we know about this shit, guys? Look at it. See the shark fin, yeah? The shark fin. On the 4 hour, it's not there yet. On the hourly, it's... Where is it? Pending. 15 minute. On its way. Shark fin. RSI coming back into the fray. Coming back into the volatility band. That's what you want to see. You want to see the RSI cross over the market signal right there. Sorry. Yeah, the red signal line. That's what you want to see. For confirmation of the move back to the upside. The 5 EMA is in sight. All right, do you understand now how important these moving averages are when you're operating in these sort of circumstances? People dismiss them. People laugh at them. But they're the difference between one trader being profitable against another who's losing. Okay? 5 minute time frame. Let's just have a conversation about that. There you go. Divergence towards the lows. There's your divergence. Divergence develops. And you always see that from the lower time frames. Okay? Now look what they're doing. Look at what they're doing. Here we go. What's happening with Bitcoin? What are you doing? Man, they mean business. They mean fucking business. Here we go. Look at that wick to the downside. Boy, is that... Hold on. Is that what I think it is? Is that railroad tracks? No. That's where the wick ends. This is where it is. Okay, cool. So we're all good. I'll sit through these wild swings with you guys and talk you through it just so I can help you guys maintain an element of composure, man. Because it's these sort of circumstances that make us do stupid things. And then we sat down, scratching our head thinking, why didn't we just wait? Why didn't we just wait? Frankly, look, good traders cut their losses. Great traders change direction. You have to have brass to do this. You have to have balls of steel to be able to trade mindfully in these circumstances. All right? Patreons, you know what this candle is. We spoke about it last week. Here is another example of it. Right now, liquidity is flourishing across the board. Whether it's leaving or coming, it doesn't matter. Liquidity is right here, right now. We are at the most liquid time in the marketplace. London, New York. Okay? They're going to piss around with this zone. Look at both candles. This is the theory of the hybrid system getting ready to flourish in front of your eyes. Okay? The futures market starts in 7 minutes, guys. Okay? We are waiting for another pool of liquidity to come in. Let's see what happens. Dude, CoinGecko is down. Shit. How will this influence Ethereum, Bitcoin in a year or two? Carl, that's too far right now to be thinking about that. You know? Too far. This is chaotic times, guys. All right? But we have to maintain balance. Because this is what makes us enter. Do you know how many people are going short right now? All right? And funnily enough, it's now pulling back. Just remember that. This is what induces emotion. This is what induces irrational behavior. We need to sit on the sidelines. Now, I know it's difficult if you are holding coins and your portfolio is down. Welcome to trading, guys. Welcome to investments. Who said it was always going to go up? And if you that doesn't sit right with you, you shouldn't be investing. All right? This is exactly what we are here for. This is what we're about. Seeing these. This is you training your eyes. Now when this is all over and price starts to regulate itself and come back into the fray, you're going to look back and say, you know what? I went through that. I sat through that and I experienced and I learned what I learned from this moment. So you can put that in your itinerary of trading experience now and say, look, when this sort of shit happens again, I'm going to be prepared for it. Fuck, I'll be able to take a trade on it as well. You know, look at this beautiful retracement. My lady Ethereum. Look what she's doing. Happy fucking days. If you can't make a penny or two on those sort of situations, not that I'm telling you to, I'm here to show you how the concept behind the market maker happens in real time. That's what you need to understand. Real time is where you learn. Drop down to the 5-minute time frame. Let's have a look at what's going on there. There she is, coming back to the 50 EMA. We've got to be careful as well, guys. Vector 1, 2, 3, and 4. Happy days. Look at that snap back up, trapping up all the short sellers. All right, let's zoom out. Look at this fast move, false move. I am smelling a lovely shark fin. Oh, look at that W formation on the fucking RSI. Please forgive me for swearing so much, guys. I'm just excited about witnessing what... When you know the market maker is there, because 90% of the times that we spend on these streams is to try and siphon what the market maker is doing. When you see him lay his hand down and show the cards, it's great to see, you know? Anyone that believes that market makers don't exist, boy... Oh, God. 1 minute time frame. I need to see what she's doing. There you go, Les. There it is. Look. There's your box. Right there. There's your green candles stepping in. TDI. Divergence at the lows. Happy days. Come back to the fray. Bring it back. ADR lows up here, man. That's frightening. Look at how extended they are. So now they need to bring it back into the zone. This is what we need to see. Retrace of the red candle. We've been seeing it happening over and over again. There she goes, right there. Happy days. Bitcoin starting. I think what's going to happen, they're going to do it to Ethereum first, then Bitcoin. XRP, where are you? Oh, happy days, XRP. Litecoin, where you at? Where you at, Litecoin? Please, show me your hand. There you go. Everything looking to come back up. So, you know, don't worry, guys. You know, maintain composure. Keep your mind straight. Do not be reactive. Be proactive. Understand what's happening across the board. All right? For all we know, they could just spike price back up and continue down lower, but the move has been too fast. They've tapped liquidity right now, man. They've hit these zones. What happy days? I can't it can go even to $1 if we cannot buy. Oh, God. It's all good, Alison. Just laughing right now. Just down a casual 280k. Wow. I'll drink to that, bro. You're still up, man. You're still up. New York open in 3 minutes. Yeah, the futures market is opening in 3 minutes. Yeah, Binance is all good for me. Because excuse me. A lot of my time is invested in staking. So I've managed to get myself a nice, got Binance backing really cheap. Happy days. Happy days with Binance. BNB, that is. BNB coin. Man, it is free across the board, guys. It is crazy. That is chaotic, man. Wow. Come on, New York. Happy days. Fin away, fin away. Here we go. What you doing? Come on, Bitcoin, Ethereum. You've laid down your hand. You've absorbed your liquidity. Now it's time to bring it back into the norm. Two seconds, guys. Okay. Oh my days. BitBoy said that about Elam. Typical. Blaming everyone else. That's unfortunate. See, there's a difference between traders and, you know, people that just buy and hold. Not to discredit investors at all, but when you're having to blame shit, I mean, come on. You know, welcome to the game of trading. If you can't handle corrections like this, you shouldn't be in this game. Full stop. There's one or two things you can do. You can either sit through this and hold your positions, or you can accumulate more, because at some point they're going to retrace back up. All right? They have to bring it back into the norm. It is clear to see the whole market right now has taken a tank, and we could be setting up for a lovely reversal. Nice V-shaped reversal. But we need to wait for confirmation of that. The reversal will come when the exchanges revive from the dead, potentially. See, we know these candlesticks, guys. We ain't alien to these candlesticks. That's XRP right there. 5 count on my Elliott wave. ABC triangle downtrend. Liquidated 2 weeks ago. I can't even get into my Coinbase account. Some error, they say. I look at Qcoin, see how things trade. Maybe a bargain for a swing trade. Elliott wave, Wyckoff, market maker. At the end of the day, we understand something. However, if you're... Matt, you didn't have to deposit that much, man. You didn't have to do that, bro. Thank you. That's crazy that no one's allowed to do anything. Sorry, but our systems are busy. Please try again later. Wow. Bitcoin dominance reversing to the upside. Where's Ethereum? Hello, Lady Ethereum. What are you doing? Coming back? Oh, shit. 4-hour candle. Where's she at? Woo. We got flavor to come back to. See, look, I ain't encouraging anyone anything, okay? But these are the opportunities that we wait for. This is pretty much, it's too late now, but this is pretty much a license to print money. When you understand what's going on in these zones, okay, you can exploit them. Drop down, let me bring this up, look. Drop down to the 5-minute time frame, okay? You can see something here, right? Coming back to the 50. Always, price always comes back to the 50. The more chaotic the move, the sooner it's going to come back to the 50. And look what she's doing. Granted, she could come back to the 50 and fucking drop. Who cares? We are waiting for something to happen. Look at them pumping up. Just look at that. Sharp, fast move, false move to the downside. The 800 EMA on the 4-hourly has shown dominance to protect Ethereum. Look at this. Here we go. Look at that. Just pumping up. That's on the 4-hourly. Drop down to the 1-hour time frame. Where we at? There she goes. The whole thing. How many people went short across the board witnessing this chaos? Mad love to all of you. This is what it's about, man. My team is winning. During chaotic times, my team is winning. Well, a few of you are winning. Those who are caught up with investments, it's a different story, man. Different thing. I feel bad for you, but you know, it's this is the nature of the game. This is the hard truth, man. This is the hard truth. If you can't handle, if you come into this game only expecting, 10, 12%, retraces and what have you, this game ain't for you. I'm gonna be straight with you. All right? But just understand, when you know what's going on, but when you have an idea of how the system operates, you're able to prepare yourself and say, right, I can anticipate X, Y, and Z. I am prepared. I know what to expect with this. Right now, it's free for all. Get your coin in cheap kind of story. That's what's being pushed across the board. All right? So, everyone's going short. All the exchanges right now are holding people's deposits, withdrawals, you name it. I mean, decentralization, another conversation, which is why traders, they're fast in, fast out. Mad respect to everyone in the channel. 2,600 of you. Thank you for passing through. If you are new to the channel, do not hesitate to subscribe. Don't really ask often, but for anybody new, this is a channel dedicated to teaching people how to understand the marketplace. All right. There's over 700 hours worth of streaming content, which is designed to help people understand the market makers. So far, the strategy has helped create $5 million traders. All right. And these guys have started from scratch. And in 5 months, we've achieved that. And my goal is to create $100 million traders. So 95 more to go, 5 months into the stream. It's looking great for as many people as possible. If you are new, join the Discord. If you want access to these chaotic charts, everything is in the link to the description in the video. Sorry. All your links that you need for anything related to Traders Reality, it's all there. You download this platform from IC Markets. Then you go to the Discord and you get the indicators free of charge as well. I don't charge for the indicators at all. There are videos on there that will help you understand how to install them. And then it's all systems go. All right. And if you notice as well, we have a projections channel, which is really good. I do projections every single day. I will discuss what Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP are doing. And I will pin that to the chat right now. So it's just like a 10-minute video every single day just to give you a snapshot of what's to come and what could happen in certain zones that come into play. Okay, so that's for you guys. And thank you for passing through. All right, that's exactly what it is, guys. There it is. The projections channel is pinned to the chat. It should come up in a second. There you go. It's right at the top there. I just done a video today and that should be good. I currently have 20 ether. Should I hold? I can't give you that answer, bro. Right? If you got 20 ether, should I just hold? If you're asking me, tells me you're concerned about something. You know? Responsibility is on you. I'm going to show you how to understand and exploit this strategy. The rest is on you. And if people aren't happy with that sort of thing, I'm telling you now, this game is not for you. If you can't take responsibility for your actions, for your decisions, this game isn't for you. I'm not going to sugarcoat shit. I want you guys to be successful at this, and I'm going to tell you the hard truth straight. This is the hardest, easiest way to make money. It's not for the faint-hearted. It's not for the get-rich-quick adventurer, as Jesse Livermore would say. All right? This stream is about helping you become a trader. All right? I ain't going to give you false hope. This is a grind. It's about commitment, passion, and desire. If you want to learn how to trade, you learn to trade, not to make money. You obsess on the execution of the trade rather than the result of the trade. Because one way or another, the truth of the matter is this. If you get your execution of your trade down correctly, what can happen next? You either lose or make money. If you've got your execution down to a T, you're going to make money. So why the fuck would you focus on making money? Focus on the execution of the trade because that's where it's at. Have a desire to master the entry because the entry will pay you regardless if you've got it down. All right? There's no such thing as a perfect trade, but we can work on accurate ones. That's the key. That is the key. All right? Now, I don't hear anyone talking like this, but I talk straight from gut, from heart, from soul. I've had a lot of success in this industry, but I've also been crippled by it. I've had the losses. I got good at losing, really fucking good at losing in this game. But it was only when I had the transition of trying to understand my approach to this. When I stopped focusing on money, I started making money. But no one's going to tell you that. All right? You go onto your Instagram, you're going to see the traders with the fucking Ferraris, the Lambos, the houses, falsifying the idea of what life could be like if you buy a £500 course. Now, I'll say it again. There are people that do create courses from, dedicating time to creating something that is not available elsewhere. I'll always endorse that. All right? But when you're taking information that's already out there and making it look nice on an Instagram post and charging people for it, that's fucking theft. Straight up. Just because you haven't had the time to sit down and siphon the information, why should you be penalized and be sold an idea that you can make money or replicate what this guy's got in his Instagram profile by simply investing £500? Fuck that. I said to myself, let me teach people how to trade. I want to become better at my strategy. I'll teach them. Trading pays me. Let trading pay me. You guys pay yourselves, learn how to fish, and you'll eat for the rest of your life. That's my way of paying forward to you guys. And we are where we are right now. Notable volume coming into the charts. Bitcoin recovering the red candle. Ethereum recovering the red candle. Opportunity. Welcome to it. All right? We don't operate on fear or greed. We operate on action. What is the chart showing us now? That's what we care about. We don't care about Ethereum in 2 months, 3 months, or 1 year. We don't care about Ethereum's price. We care about what it's doing right now. And that's where we profit. This is how we do it. And if my guy's in here, unconventional is it? Oh, what was his name again? It is unconventional. The channel Unconventional. Thank you very much, bro. Thank you very much. Theo, speak louder. Nah, man, I'm going to blow out my people's ears. Yeah, everything's down. Of course it's down, man. Everything is down. Because, look, the opportunity to buy is happening right now. That's what I'm saying. They're just corrupting the place. This is, guys, remember, this is an unregulated environment. They can do whatever they like. Funnily enough, everything drops and everything stops. Are you saying to me that these multi-billion-dollar industries, their systems are down? Man, get the fuck out of here, man. Come on. It is a V. Who said that? Who said that? Who said that? Uncomplication. That's it, man. Uncomplication, guys. Go listen, guys. Go reach out to Uncomplication. All right. He gave us a mention with no reference. I didn't know this guy existed. All right. He made no reference to, no, I had no reference to him. I never knew who he was. He gave us a shout out on his channel. All right. He was talking about the Wyckoff method. He gave us a mention and had a lot of his people come through to my channel. I didn't even know this happened. And I just want to pay it forward and thank him for doing that. So you guys, get yourselves out to my guy, Uncomplication. All right. He likes to listen to Pearl Jam as well. I'm a Metallica guy, so we'll probably get on like a house on fire. But yeah, I'd like to have a conversation with my guy as well. Bring him onto the stream and we'll have a chat. I feel like I could actually have a conversation with him. Give him a sub, guys. Show the love to Uncomplication. He paid it forward. I'm paying it back to him, man. I don't understand what is happening, but I just put 5k in Bitcoin. Wow. DEX is the future. I agree with you. Waiting over 24 hours for Cash App. You want a Cash App? What's that? I'm here because Uncomplication. Yep, thank you. All the Uncomplication guys. All the Uncomplication guys. Mad love for you guys passing through. Okay? Enough respect to all of you. Get yourselves out to Uncomplication on his channel. Exactly as projected. Look how beautiful this candle is, man. Great. I fucking love it, man. I fucking love it, man. Eddie Murphy, man. That guy, look at this stopping volume right there. Patreons, you see that, man. You guys know. You guys know. Right there, 32, bang up. Same again, Ethereum. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful formations right there. XRP, where's she at? Recovering straight back up. Happy days. BNB's coming back up. I mean, Ethereum's only dropped. Right now, it's down 24%, which is not bad. I'm all right with that. 24% isn't bad when the shit moves between 10 and 20% on a day-to-day basis. See, no one gives a shit when it's earning 24%, when it's put 24% in the green. Everyone's like, yeah, great. But when it's in the red, it's like, oh my God, bearish market. Jesus Christ, we're going to drop. Guys, there's two phases, the markup and the markdown. All right? No bullish, no bearish. Listen, right. let me explain something to you. I will challenge every approach to conventional wisdom about the game of trading. All right? This strategy challenges it. Why? Because this strategy is based on the market maker's business model, not what people come up with theoretically. Bullish, bearish are emotional triggers. When something is bearish, quickly sell, quickly sell. Well, no, not really. Because when price is dropping, we know that in order for someone to sell, someone has to buy. So welcome to the fattest bull market, if we go by that token. We're in a markdown phase. Market makers are getting their orders filled to the longs, for the longs to the downside, getting ready to get them close to the upside. Welcome to opportunity yet again. All right? Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Buy GME, you know. Buy GME. I mean, tonight's stream's going to be interesting. Tonight's stream will be interesting. I'm so glad I came on today, guys. So glad that I came on. Helping you guys out is all we need to do. Whoa. Yo, Sack Trades, I just saw your message, bro. That's crazy, man. That is crazy. Let's just have a look at something. Ooh, gold, gold, gold. Everyone's scared. Range weekly high for gold. Should get tapped and then reverse back down. Everyone is scared. Oh, dollar yen. Boy, look at that. My buys. Oh, man. I should be looking at getting my entries. Oh, my days. But that's actually not gone anywhere, really. It's a controlled move. Litecoin, looking nice. XRP, okay. Bitcoin, happy days. Let me get back onto the 1 hour, see where she's at. She's there. So it looks like it's a bit of a stall. Although we are coming into the next hour now. All right. So we do have to be careful. They could actually bring price back down. All right. We will only know if they are finished with their intentions to the downside. We've got to be careful. This dip is fake. I pre-recorded this whole stream. Master of Disaster, and thanks for passing through, my man. What happens after the vector candle? It's right in front of you. Robert Pinto, thank you very much, bro. Binance has crashed. Well, Binance US might have crashed, but in the UK, it's okay for me. Binance is all good for me. How cheap is XRP right now? Very. Very cheap. Absolutely crazy what I'm witnessing, man. Yeah, Binance looks like it's struggling across the board now. It's not allowing me to get quotes. Yep. Struggle. Okay. Guys, listen. It's that time. All right? I'm going to have to go and get my daughter. Pertino tea. What a guy. All right, listen, guys. I hope I've managed to install some form of reassurance to you guys. Okay, you've effectively seen and witnessed how the vector candles work in real time. And I'm so glad there was enough of you to see it. Okay? So, no, it's a vape. It's a vape. Tonight, we are going to go live still. But I needed to get this stream done. I want to thank everyone for passing through. Mad love to anybody new that's come to the channel. Uncomplication is the channel you guys need to go and follow. All right, my guy gave me a shout out. Didn't ask for it. I'm paying it forward. Get yourselves over to my guy as well. Enough respect to all of you. And just keep the cool, guys. Keep the cool. Okay? Mad love to all of you, and I will be seeing you tonight. Stay safe, trade well.